Well, hello there and welcome to another video on Arch Linux, and this is just a short one where I'm going to prove you that what I set out in the beginning of this video is working. I have here this USB key in front of me that does everything that I said it would, and now if I, I'll plug it in my USB port, then of course my Windows system detects drive H and wants to format it, and don't want to format it, but drive G is the partition with the exFAT file system, and you can see that I have all this data here. Most of them are debugging data from the Arch Linux system because I was having some troubles, to say the least, but now it's working, and I will show you how it works in a second. And of course I will make a video where I will describe all the steps that I took for this to happen. And so let's see what happens if I restart the computer. Okay, so now you can see my computer, and this is the USB that we will boot from. And let me restart Windows. So now Windows is restarting, as you can see. Let me try to show you the most of my monitor without showing you what a mess is there around my desk. So now that this USB drive is plugged in, we will see, Asus. Of course, this is not promoted material. This is just what I happen to have on my computer. And what's happening now? Let's see. This is the grub menu, of course, and we will start Arch Linux and starting version and file check-in or disk integrity check-in or whatever. And this is our login manager, the LightDM greeter, and I entered my extra secret password, and you can see this is not the same kind of background that I was showing you, and I have some proprietary garbage on this installation. I am a long-time Opera user, and yeah, forgive me for that. So this is what I have on the USB, and ta-da! You can see it's working now on the hardware, and I will show you how I did this. So this is it. I will tell you in a follow-up video how I did this, and I will reference you to the appropriate ArchWiki pages, of course. And this will not be the last video on this, because I am still taking my journey into the world of Arch Linux, and of course I will share my experiences with you so you don't have to make the same mistakes that I did. And I'm just trying to show off my very nice polo shirt as the last moments of this video. So see you next time. Bye bye.